Let's take a look at how you can add the Xamarin app to Bitrise. After logging in, click on the Add New App button and then choose the Web UI. Choose the Bitrise account you want the app to be added to. It can be either your personal account or an organization. Choose a privacy type for your app. It can be either private or public. If it's public, anyone can see your logs and configs, so be sure to use this with care. We'll set this one to private. Select your repository from the source code provider of your choice. You can choose GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, or add something else manually. The test app we are going to use is stored on GitHub. When prompted to set up repository access, you can either add your own SSH key, which comes in handy if you need to set up multiple sub-repositories, or just go for the No Auto Add SSH key option. Choose and type the name of your branch. Pick one that includes the config of your project. My branch is called Master. Another validation of the repository is running. Bitrise will check if it's fully accessible and will also look for your project type. The result is used to create the best configuration for your needs. Let's fast forward a bit. Bitrise detected a Xamarin project. Great, we're in business. Select the Xamarin solution configuration. The available options are based on the solution file. This will be stored as an environment variable and it can be changed later. The path to the Xamarin solution file is already there. Select the Xamarin solution configuration, let's say debug, and then select the Xamarin solution platform, let's say iPhone. These will be stored as an envar and they can be changed later. Read through the project build configuration, if needed, edit them, or click confirm. Now you can add an icon to your app. If you have one in your repo, choose that or upload one, or skip for now. At this point, you also need to decide if you want Bitrise to add webhooks to your repository or not. If you do register webhooks, your project's source control events from GitHub can trigger builds for you. For example, when you push some new code to one of your branches. Let's try registering one. Your first build is running. Click on the big green button and you'll be taken to the build's landing page. In the next video, you can learn how to configure steps and workflows. Feel free to leave a comment below. If you want to be an expert? Check out the whole playlist for the topic, link in the description below.